In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Steam in offline mode. If you want to play supported games without staying connected to the internet, Steam's offline mode can be really useful. This is especially helpful if you're traveling, dealing with an unstable connection, or simply want to use Steam without being online. The important thing to understand is that you need to set this up while you still have internet access, because Steam has to verify your account and prepare offline mode first. To begin, open Steam while your computer is connected to the internet. Give it a moment to fully load so your account signs in properly and the app is ready to respond. If Steam hasn't been opened in a while, it may also take a few seconds to check for updates. It's a good idea to let that process finish before moving on, since updates can sometimes affect how the client behaves. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Steam. This opens the main application menu where you'll find several options related to settings, account access, and client behavior. The option we need is located here. From that menu, select Go Offline. When you click it, Steam will begin the process of switching from online access to offline mode. In some cases, you may see a confirmation prompt explaining that Steam will need to restart. That's normal, and it's simply part of enabling offline mode correctly. After that, restart Steam when prompted. Steam will close and reopen in offline mode, and once it comes back up, you'll be able to use it without an internet connection. This means you can access the Steam client and launch games that support offline play, even if your device is no longer connected. A quick tip before you disconnect from the internet: make sure any game you want to play has been fully installed and updated in advance. Some games require an online check the first time they're launched, and others may not support offline mode at all. So if you want a smooth experience, it's best to prepare everything before going offline. And that's it. As long as you open Steam online first, click Steam in the top left corner, choose Go Offline, and allow the client to restart, you'll be ready to use Steam offline whenever you need it.